Hello, space science enthusiasts. I'm Astronomy Universe, and today, let's explore the wonders of the universe. We'll dive into the latest discoveries in astronomy, the potentially habitable exoplanets, and fascinating cosmic phenomena that scientists are currently studying. But the biggest question still remains unanswered. Does extraterrestrial life really exist? And if so, are we ready to encounter it? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on exciting videos about space and the mysteries we are uncovering step by step. In recent years, the exploration and study of exoplanets have become one of the most important and fascinating fields in astronomy. With the rapid development of observational and analytical technologies, scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets, and by 2025, more than 7,400 exoplanets have been officially confirmed. This demonstrates the ongoing progress in space research, particularly in identifying planets that could sustain life. One of the key criteria for determining the habitability of an exoplanet is the presence of liquid water. Liquid water is considered an essential element to support life as we know it. Planets with the potential to have liquid water on their surface are typically located in the habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone, which is the region around a star where the temperature is not too hot or too cold, allowing water to remain in liquid form. This is a crucial factor in the search for life beyond Earth, as liquid water is not only an important component of chemical reactions that sustain life, but also an ideal environment for life to thrive. However, while thousands of exoplanets have been discovered, only a few of them are capable of supporting life. One of the significant challenges in finding habitable planets is that many potentially habitable planets orbit red dwarf stars with highly active behavior. Red dwarf stars emit intense X-ray radiation, and their unstable activity can cause harmful radiation to damage the atmosphere of any planet orbiting them, making it impossible for life to thrive. Furthermore, some planets orbiting red dwarf stars are tidally locked, meaning they always face the same side toward their star, creating one side of the planet constantly scorched by the star's heat, while the other side remains in eternal darkness. Nevertheless, G-type stars like our Sun bring new hope. G-type stars are more stable, with less intense activity than red dwarfs, and emit a more stable radiation, creating favorable conditions for the planets orbiting them to maintain stable atmospheres. Furthermore, G-type stars can provide heat and radiation similar to our Sun, increasing the chances for life to form and develop. However, finding planets orbiting G-type stars remains a significant challenge. While planets in these systems may have more stable climate conditions, there have been very few discoveries of planets in G-type star systems so far. A prime example is the Alpha Centauri system, the closest star system to Earth, which has a G-type star named Alpha Centauri A, but finding planets orbiting this star has not yet been successful. One of the recent noteworthy discoveries is the planet HD 20794d, located in a G-type star system about 20 light-years away from Earth. This planet has an eccentric orbit, meaning it passes through habitable zones and then moves farther away, creating a dramatically changing environment throughout the year. This planet could have liquid water on its surface, and if so, the possibility of water transitioning from ice to liquid throughout the year is entirely feasible. However, due to its eccentric orbit, the extreme climate changes could create unstable conditions, making it difficult for life to develop. Future research on this planet and other exoplanets will rely on advanced observational technology, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, designed to observe deep into the universe and analyze the characteristics of exoplanets. Telescopes like James Webb will have the ability to scan the atmospheres of planets to determine the presence of liquid water, and from there, help scientists assess the habitability of these planets. In addition, researchers are also exploring new methods to study the atmospheres and potential living conditions on exoplanets. For example, research on super-Earth's planets, larger than Earth but still with conditions suitable for life, has opened up many new opportunities in the search for life beyond Earth. These planets may have thicker atmospheres, creating stable temperatures and the potential to maintain liquid water on their surfaces. The continuous development of astronomical technology will continue to drive the exploration of habitable exoplanets. In the future, these studies will not only help us understand more about other planets in the universe, but also open up great opportunities to search for life beyond Earth, something humanity has long dreamed of. With the support of advanced telescopes and new technologies, finding worlds that could be suitable for human habitation may no longer be far off. Exploring habitable exoplanets is one of the most fascinating areas in astronomy. Although we have discovered many potential planets, determining whether extraterrestrial life exists like it does on Earth remains a major challenge. Future research will be key to unlocking the secrets of life beyond Earth, and perhaps, in the near future, we will discover a planet not only capable of supporting life, but also potentially becoming the home for humanity. So, what's the truth behind the story of extraterrestrial life? Are we living in a universe full of alien beings we have yet to meet? Stories of UFOs, encounters with extraterrestrials, and strange evidence have been around for a long time, but are these truths or just human imagination? Let's explore further in the next segment, where we uncover signs and mysteries related to the existence of aliens. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video if you're also interested in exciting discoveries in the universe. We will continue our journey of exploring space and searching for extraterrestrial life in the upcoming videos. See you soon!